The income potential of trade jobs might surprise you. Many people think of familiar trades like plumbing and HVAC when they consider high-paying trade jobs. But what about the lesser-known positions? Some trades can yield fantastic pay but remain poorly advertised. In today's episode, we're going to break down 7 hidden trades that can earn you serious money. You'll learn how to tap into these opportunities for your career or start your own business. I'm Chris and welcome to Partsman Pro. I'm associated and worked alongside countless individuals with lucrative trade careers. My goal is to give you insights that can significantly impact your earning potential. I'll highlight various trade jobs, their income potential, real-world examples, and offer step-by-step insights on how you can get started or advance in these fields. Let's consider the world of septic tank services. You may pass these trucks daily without realizing they represent a thriving business. A single septic truck can generate between $500,000 and $1 million annually from pumping out tanks. And you're going to be very surprised how much more others actually earn. So, number one on the list, the septic truck owner. Revenue starts between $3,500 per week. The costs include disposal fees, fuel, and insurance, totaling around $436,000. Net profit ranges from $400,000 to $600,000. Number 2 is basement waterproofing technician. Average job completion can net $6,000 in 2 days, with a possible annual revenue of around $686,000. About $187,000 annually for materials and is the actual cost. And the profit is still likely high, around $300,000. Number 3 on the list is diesel technicians, and they have been recommended from time to time. The average daily earnings could be around $2,500, leading up to $650,000 per year. You can scale the business by hiring additional technicians. High demand exists, especially in construction zones. Number 4 are boilermakers. The median salary around $71,000, but skilled workers can earn $150,000 annually. Earnings can significantly increase by working on high-end projects. Number 5 on my list, millwrights. Salary ranges from $60,000 to $130,000. You need various tools, but if you run the business, you can pull in an impressive income. Number 6 on my list, which is my favorite, elevator technicians. Earnings typically sit between $75,000 to over $200,000 from those with government contracts. They have low startup costs, which allows quick entry. The business needs certification but pays well. And with condominiums and apartment buildings going up on every corner, who knows, they will be in very high demand. Last on my list is street and parking lot light maintenance. The average revenue could range significantly, especially when it's a city contract, potentially earning over $2 million annually. The key here is maintenance contracts. Consistent demand exists for repairs and upgrades. If you're intrigued, now is the time to take action. Explore these trade paths to find the right one for you. Each one plays a vital role in maintaining our infrastructures and keeping our communities running smoothly. Do let me know in the comments which trade job caught your attention. Your future could be brighter than you think. Grab a copy of my ebook, The Parts Manager Guide. Please smash that like button. Until next time.